welcome back to another video. Let's look at number 1. So we're working with a mixed number here at the first part. So this 1 7/8, we're going to take it to Texas, and that's going to leave us with 15/8. We are adding, and then we're going to just drop down that 5/12. Now remember, we need a common denominator. I'm just going to list the multiples for 8. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, so on and so forth. But we can stop there because when you do the multiples of 12, you see that we have 24. That's our match. So both denominators are going to change to 24. What did we do at the bottom? We multiplied it by 3. So 15 times 3 is going to give us 45. On the other side, 12 times 2 is going to give me 24. So that's where I'm going to get that 10 from. Now over here, I'm going to have 55/24. 55 is going to be on the inside and 24 is going to be on the outside. So I'm going to do some long division. 24 goes into 55 2 times. 2 times 24 is going to leave us with 48. And that leaves us with a remainder of 7. So right here, we have 3 numbers, the 2, the 24, and the 7. 2 is going to be our whole number. So our number is going to be 2 and then 7/24. All right, taking a look at number 4. We are dealing with mixed numbers again. This 4 and 1/6 turns to 25/6 divided by 10/3. So remember, we're going to keep the 25/6. And then we're going to change that sign to a multiplication sign, and we're going to flip and turn that to 3/10. Now here we're just going to multiply straight across. 25 times 3 gives us 75. 6 times 10 gives us 60. We're going to do a little bit of long division. 75 is going to be on the inside. 60 goes into 75 one time. 1 times 60 gives us 60 with a remainder of 15. So right here, just like how we did at the top, that 1 is going to be our main number. So we're going to be dealing with 1 and 15/60, which then simplifies down even further when we keep cutting and dividing to 1 1/4. All right, the last one we're going to do is number 8. Remember, that single whole number of 8 turns to 8/1. Multiplying it by taking it to Texas, 21/4. We're just going to multiply straight across, and we're going to get 168 on top of 4. We're going to put 4 on the outside, 168 on the inside. Now this gets a little tricky because this divides perfectly. We're going to be left with no remainder, and we're left with 42. So when this happens, all you can do is just cross out that 0, cross out that 4, and you're left with 42 as your final answer.